Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Dota 2 out of memory error. To fix the issue, start by opening the Start menu and selecting Run. In the Run box, type TIA-MP and click OK. Once the folder opens, delete all the temporary files shown there. Then, go back and again open the Run. Here, search for %TMP%. Hit the OK button and delete all the temporary files in the folder. You can also try updating your Windows system. To do this, use the search bar on the task bar to search for Settings. Now, open Settings, then select Windows Update from the left-hand panel. Click Check for updates and install any available updates to make sure your computer is running the latest version of Windows. Finally, restart your computer to complete the process. To restart, open the search bar on the taskbar, click the power button, and select Restart. Your PC will then reboot, which should help fix the issue. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.